One of those key issues that we face now today in the world is climate change, and especially the way that businesses operate can impact on the environment. And today we're going to be talking about reducing your environmental impact, 5 ways that cover a range of things that you can get started on today and hopefully help the planet. Hi, my name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform. So we'll kick off with number 1, which is remote working. If we can offer remote working, maybe it's not every day for your staff, maybe your business can't do it all the time, but the more that we can offer it to our staff to be flexible, the more chance that they will take that opportunity to not commute into work, to work from home, or even work from a coffee shop, a local area. You may also find that they can concentrate better, so there are added benefits that they can focus on their work because they're left alone, they're in the quiet, they've not got people in the office bothering them. So there are other advantages to remote working. If they can avoid the commute, which is a very stressful experience, 2 hours in, 2 hours out, some people even longer, if they can avoid that, they're going to free up their time, they can spend more time getting their work done and more time at home with their family because they're not making that commute. So the second way that we can reduce our impact on environment through business is to have smaller out of town offices. So very much related to the first way that we can improve our impact, which is it's all about reducing the commute. The commute is probably one of the biggest impacts that most office businesses will have on the environment. If you've got staff coming in cars, then this is one of the biggest targets. And what we can do by having smaller out-of-town offices is we can reduce that commute. And also, it spreads your business around the country as well. So if you've got more offices, you've got more sort of people can see where you are, they can recognize your name. So it's got benefits for your business as well. So the third way that you can reduce your environmental impact for your business is to encourage sustainable modes of transport. Enable your staff to be able to use these various modes of sustainable transport. So offer bike racks, look at investment opportunities where you can help people to own their own bike. Maybe it's a salary sacrifice scheme, or there's some other scheme that you can get involved with in your business where you can fund people to get bikes to help them to cycle to work, help people to be able to walk into work if they come in long distance. Is there anywhere where they can have a shower, or is there a gym nearby where they can have a shower and you can maybe do a deal with so your staff can kind of use the facilities of somewhere close by. So number 4 is have smarter meetings. Don't fly halfway across the world for a 30-minute meeting that can be done remotely with some like Zoom video conferencing. Not only going to save your time because you're not commuting, you save the other person's time of setting up and hosting a meeting when getting all the coffees and whatever else when they can just sit in front of their laptop screen or even on their phone. Now, if you do need to actually go and see someone face to face, try and use sustainable transport. Obviously, don't turn up all disheveled and sweating. Now, if you really do have to make a long distance journey, then think about whether you can group your meetings. So can you make various meetings along the way? Maximize the use of the time that you've got in a city so you're not jetting back and forth all over the place, having an impact with your emissions from the transport. If you're going to a meeting already, maybe suggest to the other people that you've got in that area, hey, I'm in the area anyway, why don't we meet up? So that enables you to have a reason why to go and meet your clients and to meet your prospects, because you're already in their area and you're just dropping by. So the 5th way that your business can reduce its impact on the environment is to think about what you drink. Offices are terrible for single serving items regards to drinks and food. So does your office currently provide bottled water? Do you use those coffee pods, those little plastic pods that people are making a coffee and then they're throwing this pod away? Whatever you can do to reduce plastic is going to have a beneficial impact on the environment. So those coffee pods need to go. What you can look for is a reusable coffee pod. So we've got them in our office. It's a solid plastic reusable coffee pod that opens up with a little flip lid. You put your ground coffee in there, you close it up, you make your coffee and you wash it and you use it again. So you can still have the convenience of a coffee pod machine, but have a reusable coffee pod in order to make that coffee. Now, this same goes for, it's not just the drinks of the world, all the single serving sugars, salts, peppers, sauces. why not just get a bottle of sauce for the office? You all work together with each other. Surely you can trust each other to share a bottle of sauce. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. My name is Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, a professional productivity platform. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when there's more videos like this. If you've got any other great ideas, drop them in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.